In this video, you'll learn how to use the Mailchimp Creative Assistant to quickly generate branded designs with minimal effort. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Mailchimp account. From the left-hand menu, click on Content. Under it, you'll find Creative Assistant. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll see 3 options to get started. Option 1, Custom Designs in just a few clicks. Let's explore this first. Mailchimp says, give us a few minutes and we'll give you back hours. Let us create beautiful, on-brand designs across multiple channels for you. Simply enter your website URL to begin. In our case, we'll enter lset.uk. Then click the Import My Brand button. Note, by clicking this button, you confirm that you own or have permission to use all content from your website. Mailchimp will now scan your site and begin pulling brand assets. This may take a minute or two. Once complete, you might see an alert. This just means the AI couldn't fetch some elements. Let's fix that. Click Upload your logo. You'll now see a logo upload window. Choose a transparent logo from your local storage and upload it. On the right side, you'll see configuration settings. Enable color match with logo background. Make sure your logo is clearly visible on the selected background color. Once done, click Save. Now, if you see multiple logos, delete the extra one. You only need one active logo. Next, let's update the brand color combination. Delete any unused colors. For our brand, we'll keep just 2, blue and green. Click the settings icon to configure further. Here, you can assign colors for headings and subheadings and enable the logo guidelines. Close the window, it will save automatically. Make sure to disable background color for your secondary color. Now let's move on to brand personality. Step 1. Choose a personality trait. How would you like your audience to describe your brand? We'll select professional for now. Step 2. Adjust the sliders below to fine-tune the tone, or leave it as default. Click Save. Now let's set the button style. You can customize how your call to action buttons look. Next is fonts. Select a font face that suits your brand. Then save. Once all this is done, click on the Update Design button. Now you may see additional alerts. That's okay. Most of them are due to missing content details. Let's resolve that. Click on Share Marketing Goals. Step 1. Choose your goal. This helps Mailchimp understand what kind of design you need. Click Next. Now enter your heading, subheading, and button text. Click Next. Next, you'll choose imagery. Just like your copy, images help guide the AI in generating designs. Want to change an image? Hover over it and click Remove. You can then click Suggest Smart Photos to get AI-recommended visuals, or click Add Image to upload your own. Finally, click Generate Design. You'll now see design options created just for you. Want more options? Click More Designs. Choose the one you like. On the left-hand side, you can adjust the size and layout of the template. And once you're happy, click Save to Library. Give your design a name and click Save. That's it. You've successfully created a beautiful, brand-aligned design using Mailchimp's Creative Assistant. Thanks for watching and being with us.